then to about my NDC build copy down you. A just auntie, so who catch them say, wo Mahama, what be the vice president? What be your MP? Loans are near appropriately and the culture in Krasin, what him will be near signing. When to me, I'm fighting for Voltarians. What be your vice president? One fighting for Voltarians. What be your president? One fighting for Voltarians. And then what opposition into what's the who's your say you will take care of the Voltarians. God should forgive you for taking them for a fool. And I hope these Voltarians, some of them, eyes are beginning to clear. Ralings no go. Voter for say Ralings into na now did the NDC a call. Now who check the account so say no more party near you mumu. Good ye. You more party near you mumu. And Timo the mamu share who is bringing development to you. Na kwa yes MFA meow meow. MFA meow meow. MFA meow meow. What meow meow be I ejinamwa. Ejinamwa bi aso ye kromfo. What the nam to obewia na me Ghana for na yefo. What political party ni say omu slogan ye MFA meow meow. Na we udim. Akwa red white t-shirt te diginem black BM. Say we NDC ni on feri ade. Hey. Chairman do in fact that party we na nkasa no me say wonya baifu a wontumi ndwane. E bia nyomu ni na no mo ya baifu. But NDC party bi wo ho a say okra pa de pa you will never join NDC. I'm sorry. If there's spirit in you like good thing, it will never serve NDC. Ah, now Shagana, baby. No, who them aminka? Let them attack. Yeah? Where fact. Yeah? Everywhere NDC wins, everywhere they are poor. First time go and check the statistics. Baby, NDC for nya vote will be omo here for bubro. Kwa pa for nkwa. Into omo de na me dwene sanka aban bi ba na aban na ye bibi e best sound mo fortune no a. Anko ma dwene beba ho. Na kwesi pi menka ne say ya disika ma obi kwesi se won fenko si defense ma said the beye nsuo no eyiri a emmefa waja pade emfa wonipa na say nipa no say ska no. And you know the explanation NDC Ghana yeah fool almost say they have to use it for other purposes. Madam Babs, they said see defense scanner kufu okofa ba ye no, they have to use it for other purposes. Meanwhile, the lives of my people in Keta was in danger should the rain come high, heavy. Seriously. Nana Kwame. Ensure na ba ebe yiri afa Keta for no yakope huska ba wo. Mo fanye na mfiri okeke. Aban na oto won say ye ho kire ye nti ye de aye bibi foforo. Ye ho kire ye nti ye de aye bibi foforo. That is what the government said. Enti Mo as a Felix, you are not tribalistic. That's the fact. Oh well, fine. I mean, I let them call me tribal about the American and Ukraine. Because kwesi say wo ka me say fact for fact. So wo ka me say obi akojiska with your name. Say obeye see defense amount. Now or see or discana ko e before franchise wo hu hia nipa no. Ana so nipa ni nim say nwanya de a we num de ombeto ama yen we num no ebre so a ye pe akwele bag ma edikosiwa na ye hyehyehye no lonka ba ko ye beto aba ama yen. That is what they take you people for. Okay. Betty no more ba ene me be twa so sisi a say na me ka say we na ye short one. Nti Betty no more ba ye ma no so ba. But na me pese biti we free ho. Che NDC for voter for I am president 29 years. And your president keku. Omo mama mu MPC a. Utie. Omo sanya die, womo sanya NDC. So you get an NDC president, NDC DCE, NDC MMDCE, NDC how do you call it? Assemblyman in the voter region. For 29 years, they couldn't develop voter region. Now John Mahama is promising Volta region people that, oh, this time when I come, I will pay attention to Volta region. Now men come free Volta. Now my junior Juma. And come Okasa ye na majima ikini bisa say, can you account for us? That Keta Sea defense money President Kufuor went to bring for it to protect us, the people of Keta. Please, can you account for that money? Mese me come here this near. And come bisa Mahama say, Aden ye this kama say, for be ye sea defense so boy ye ho ban. Na nsuo no yiria embechi amfa ye so, amfa ye njapade, amfa ye nobaye, amfa ye niama. But NDC if we go Volta region. Etnase. Ena papa na ye this man say on fanya sea defense na to yenchemo etisa ntomo no okoto mo 10 bags. And konto local rice kura nanka local producers no enyes kadebi. Okoto long grain rice, perfume rice 10 bags. Oto esichire 10 bags. Nkatie 10 bags. Ye atoko esam kakra. And ye sardine box 20. And ye omaka ne saying sheto omedi gu jelly can mu. And ye di gere and also no botton be 10 because you say mono gele ne fatamo gele soakings no e fatamu ntino ye de mo 10 bags pe gele no ye de be 100 bags ne ba ye mu fa bi nkoka ayindi. After this man spent your money when you were in need, when the water has taken your property, he came there, brought these items, which is a chicken feed to John Dramani Mahama. Compared to the money he has, what he brought there, chicken feed. Now, man, who the before me call horse done said, dear, near the ma ye di you. And Mahama, welcome, Wezolo, Iwezo, Iwezolo, and Mahama Wezolo, Mahama Wezolo, Egba. Now, Mrs. Ah, and mo back, who Egba. Hey, Ghana. Ha! You're serious in Ghana? Akwa we ya bokro no ente se ama mo ende mo deja tese bu twa dwadwo okofa gele 10 bag 20 bags ne emo 10 bags ba ya mo gina ho akwoshisha hwani afita be gina se Mahama wezalo iwezalo egba na me hwe mo sa na mo se no ano no sa voter ho ne de agi se nyame aba mutie Volta region hono. Today I'm saying it on authority, man. And I have no vendetta against voters. For the people who know where I grew up, you know Voltarians are my people. And this is a fact. But say what na ho kwesi pi na obia ono sika na ese so de bon ho ban